Hello and welcome to the first lecture of this new section on using AI to extract insights from data in this course, AI for Data-Driven Management Excellence. In this section, we will give you a good idea of how to use AI to extract insights from data. And we will begin by taking a look at descriptive analytics, with which you can use AI enhanced BI tools like Power BI plus Copilots and Tableau Pulse to automate dashboards and detect patterns. So let's take a look at that. So how do you think you can use AI enhanced BI tools to automate dashboards and detect patterns? Any thoughts? Using AI enhanced BI tools like Power BI, Copilot, and Tableau Pulse and similar platforms is a powerful way to automate dashboards, detect patterns, and enable faster and smarter decision making without relying entirely on the data scientists. So you kind of independent. Now, what are the steps that you need to take to use these AI-powered BI tools effectively for automating dashboards and pattern detection? Let us take a look at that. So you need to start by connecting and preparing your data sources. And there what you need to do is to import your or connect your data from databases, spreadsheets, CRMs, APIs, and cloud storage, etc. Clean and transform data using, Power BI, using the Power Query in Power BI and the data prep in Tableau. Now, what are the best practices in connecting and preparing your data sources? You need to normalize and structure your data with clear timestamp, dimensions, and KPIs. And also use data models or data marts for common analytical needs of sales, ops, and finance. So that's the first step of connecting and preparing your data sources. Then you can use Copilot or Tableau GPT or to auto-generate dashboards. And there, what you need to do is for Power BI and Copilot, use natural language prompts like create a sales dashboard using showing revenue, profit margin, and top five products by region for Q2. As simple as that. And for Tableau Pulse, you could ask, simply say, ask questions like show churn trends for the last 12 months with key anomalies. And what are the features of these two tools that you can use? So for Power BI Copilot, it can automatically build visuals, summarize trends, and suggest KPIs. Whereas Tableau GPT Pulse, you can use real-time data for monitoring with automated alerts and AI insights. So that's how you can use Copilot and Tableau GPT for auto-generated dashboards. Then third step would be to automate insights with AI narratives and anomaly detection. And there what you need to do is to use built-in AI features to detect insights without manual slicing. Remember the word, automatically, without manual slicing. Now what you can do in Power BI, you can use smart narratives, where you can add text block that auto-generate written insights. You can do anomaly detection through line charts where a right click on a data point, then you say analyze, choose analyze, and then find anomalies. And also you can use key influencer visuals to understand what drives a matrix. Say, for example, the churn or profit. If you want to understand the drivers, you can use the key influencers visual. Then in Tableau Pulse, you can set proactive alerts. When KPIs deviate from the baseline, Pulse will send a notification and also use the feature of explain data. And when you click on an outlier and the Pulse explains it using statistical method. So that's how you can get AI narratives, insights, and anomaly detection happening. Then enable natural language Q&A for users in this because your purpose is everyone to be able to use these dashboards. So what you need to do there is to enable self-serving queries in plain language. In Power BI, you can use the Q&A visual, ask questions like what was the top selling product in June in California? And in Tableau Pulse, you could ask the GPT style questions to surface dashboards or insights. And what are the benefits of these two things? First, it democratizes data access across non-technical users. Anyone and everyone can use them. Second, it reduces reliance on analysts for basic insights. So a lot more self-reliant, so as to say. Then you can also trigger alerts and data-driven notification. For that, you can set up, smart alerts that use AI or threshold. An example of that would be to set up notify me when profit margins drop below 10% for any product category. And in Tableau Pulse and Power BI, you can send real-time alerts via Teams, Slack, or emails. You can also use AI enhanced forecasting. And what should you do there? So in Power BI, you can use forecasting, which is built into the line charts to predict trends automatically, and use Azure AutoML integration to run advanced time series models. In Tableau, you have a built-in forecasting, the exponential smoothing way of forecasting, or you can integrate with Python and R for customized model. So that's how you can use AI enhanced forecasting using these tools. You can also embed AI models or integrate them with external AI services. And how can you do that? You need to connect your machine learning models or auto ML results to the AI for, let's say, churn prediction or lead scoring, and show predictions directly in the dashboard. Now, what are the tools you can use for that? In Power BI, you can use Azure ML, Python scripts, or R visuals. And in Tableau, you can use Tableau plus Python, or connect to Sales for Einstein if you're using CRM data. So that's how you can embed AI models or integrate with external AI services. Right. You can also make dashboards adaptive with AI. And for doing that, what you need to do is to personalize dashboards based on user role, location, and behavior, and use AI to suggest next best visuals or hidden correlations. So that's how you can make your dashboards adaptive with AI, which will keep updating the best results or insight or action as the time progresses and things go on. So let's summarize how and what enhanced BI tools can do for you, right, to automate dashboards and detect patterns. So first, we will take a look at both the options that of Power BI plus Copilot and Tableau Pulse. Both of can do natural language dashboards. For smart narratives, you will have to use only Power BI and Copilot. Tableau Pulse won't be able to do, whereas anomaly detection can be done by both, as well as proactive alerts. Q&A visuals can be done by Power BI and Copilot, and if you use Pulse NLP, you can do in Tableau Pulse also. Predictive forecasting again can be done in both the tools, and so is explainable insights and ML model integration. Now, for real-time collaboration, you will need with Teams and SharePoint, you will need to use Power BI and Copilot, whereas with Slack and email, you will need to use Tableau Pulse. So that's how and what AI-enhanced BI tools can do for you. So let's take a look at a use case example. And some examples, not one, but few examples, as you see here. Now, for sales, the use case could be to track top customers and revenue dips. And the BI tool to use there will be Copilot, Auto Dashboard, plus alerts. For HR, you could be wanting to monitor attrition and sentiment, and there your tool could be your BI tool could be AI-driven narrative plus influencers. In operations, you may be interested in detecting supplier delays or cost spike, and there your tools could be anomaly detection plus forecasting. And then for finance area, you could be interested in monitoring cash flow KPIs, and for that you could use smart alerts plus natural QA as BI tool, right? So these are some example use cases for you. So what do we do next? So we will look at the second part of extracting insights from data, and there we will look at diagnostic analytics that explains why it happened. There we will talk about how can you apply ML models to uncover hidden correlations and root causes, and how can you use NLP tools to analyze customer feedback, complaints, or survey data. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on setting for extracting insights from the data. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.